In this video, we'll show you how to unbox and set up your Dell Pro 5 wired fingerprint ESS mouse MS526C. To begin, open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Dell Pro 5 wired fingerprint ESS mouse MS526C and the Safety, Environmental, and Regulatory Information document. Connect the cable to any USB-A port on your computer. Once connected, if Windows Update is enabled, the Enhanced Sign-In Security fingerprint driver is automatically downloaded and installed in the background. If Windows Update is disabled, the device will still operate with basic mouse functionality. However, the fingerprint driver will not automatically install. You will need to manually download and install the driver from dell.com/support/ms526c. Restart the computer to enable the fingerprint sensor. Now, go to Sign-In Options and set the password and PIN. You must set the password before you set up the fingerprint recognition. Next, set up the fingerprint recognition and follow the on-screen instructions. Repeatedly lift and rest your finger on the sensor until the setup is complete. Lock the computer and select the sign-in option for fingerprint. Now you are ready to use the Dell Pro 5 wired fingerprint ESS mouse and sign in through your mouse. You can also customize the mouse using Dell Display and Peripheral Manager. To download and install the latest version, go to dell.com/support/ddpm and follow the on-screen instructions. You can view the device information, adjust the cursor speed up to 6K DPI for more precise scrolling, personalize your experience with button customization, and upgrade to the latest firmware updates. For more information about the Dell Pro 5 wired fingerprint ESS mouse, go to dell.com/support.